In today's guide, I want to talk about adjectives and 5 types of adjectives in particular, and then getting you to have the confidence in order to be able to label the correct type of adjective in a sentence. There are several types of adjectives that exist in grammar, but I'm going to be focusing on 5 of them in this video, some of which you might have heard already. Here they are. And as you can see in each box, I have included the definition of that particular type of adjective, as well as some examples. Usually, the most common type of adjectives that students want to refer to are in the bottom 3 boxes: descriptive, which is also known in grammar as a base adjective, comparatives, and superlatives. Quantitative and compound adjectives are less common, but they are still adjectives, so you've got those to refer to as well. So quantitative is very much to do with numbers, if you think of quantity, and compound is when you have a hyphen between 2 or more words, which is still describing a noun: black-haired, olive-skinned, and so on. A descriptive adjective is what I sometimes just say is a straightforward adjective. Anything that could be used to describe something. That can include colours or feelings or textures and so on. Our language would be very bland without adjectives because we need them in order to create imagery and to be able to visualize what it is the writer has in mind. If you think of descriptive, comparative, and superlative adjectives on a ladder, the descriptive adjective sits at the bottom of the ladder, and in the middle of the ladder is the comparative adjective. A comparative adjective usually ends in IER or ER, as in all of these examples here. So if the descriptive adjective is hungry, to be more hungry is hungrier. Linking to superlatives, superlatives sit on the top of the ladder because they express the most or highest degree of something. So to take that example of hungry again, hungry is descriptive, hungrier is comparative, and hungriest is superlative. And superlative adjectives tend to end in est or iest, and that shows the most or highest degree of something. So very simply, I'm going to show you 3 sentences, and I've underlined already the adjectives in these sentences. You can either pause the video and try and work out the correct name of these adjectives, or you can carry on watching and I can go through the answers. And here we have the answers. So we've got one comparative because it's gloomier. So it's making a comparison there between or from something. So gloom, gloomier, gloomiest. We've got the word several. That's a quantitative adjective because it's to do with specifying an amount or a number, even though it's not particularly specific, but it's still describing the number of hours there was of heavy rain. We've got the descriptive adjectives of heavy, vicious, and silver. We've got the compound adjective green-eyed, describing the reflection that was mirrored in the surface of the silver lake. And we have one superlative, the most fast, in other words, ending there in est. So hopefully that was useful, all about being able to label the correct type of adjective in English sentences. Thanks for watching.